So for this tutorial, we're going to need scissors, feed, lighter, letters, and of course paracord 550. So take this away, and we need them. You see them. Okay, so you put the two ends. See, I already cinched the ends, and then to make it easy for my letters to pass through, so pull that through, get to the end, you have your loop. Now you measure your wrist size. Okay, so I forgot to mention, you need a measuring tape. So this is going to be for a 7-inch wrist, so I'm going to measure 6.5. okay, then the 0.5 is going to be part of our clasp at the end. So yeah, you hold that down. Okay, so under here, over, this goes into the loop. Alright, I'm just using my fingers to hold that down so it doesn't move too much. So yeah, pull it, pull this one too, pull, 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 until it's nice and tight. Okay, so continue a cobra knot, and over this goes into the loop. Alright, okay. Alright, time to fix those letters now. Now this goes under and over, right? Now the one that goes over and into the loop is the one that has the letters. So just watch me, okay? Yeah, so you just have to put that, make sure it's in the middle. Alright, pull it nice and tight. Remember, it's the one that goes over that has the letter, so A. Yeah, so we're done writing, so just conclude the bracelet. Okay, just keep weaving without the beads. Alright. So I'm going to measure about 3 inches our stopper knot should be about right here. So how do you make the stopper knot? Watch me. Alright, so just like we did in the beginning, this is my method. I like this, is easier. So the left goes under this and this goes over. Just same thing we did when we started. Okay, so just pull this all the way, and you see this is still a bit longer, so we adjust that, then pull, make sure it's equal, a little bit more, just pull this way. Okay, so you see it's equal. Alright, so just a regular tie. Okay, now you can cut off the excess, singe it,